Credit cards allowed us to pay for things anywhere in the world. ATMs gave us access to cash after hours. Online banking became popular in the 90s as personal internet access increased. Derivatives trading began with the Black-Scholes formula, and today the annual market is worth over $600 trillion. But in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, the complexity of financial markets has left consumers wanting more transparency.
Consumers are expecting the same from banking that they've learned to get in other industries. So they're looking for services which are much more transparent, services which are much easier to use and which have a much lower cost.
A new wave of innovative startups are capitalizing on advanced technology and social networking to disrupt financial services.
Zopa is a peer-to-peer lending business, and we reward both savers and borrowers who are really good with money with better rates. Savers get a better return than they would by saving at a bank, typically about double the rate of return they get from a bank. And borrowers also get a better deal. Our job is to mitigate the risk, and the first way we do that is by making sure we lend money only to the most responsible borrowers. The second one is we spread savers lending over many, many different borrowers.
TransferWise is an online money transfer service. We utilize the fact that there are always people sending money, for example, from London to Paris, and there are people sending money from Paris to London. So if there are enough people doing it, that means we don't actually have to move the money. We can just swap the money locally. We have transferred more than £125 million since we launched the business 2 years ago. It's an absolutely ginormous market. We reckon that individuals and small to medium businesses amount to about $10 trillion worth of money transfer every year.
The unsecured personal loans business in isolation is worth about £20 billion of new loans a year. And I see no reason why us and other peer-to-peer lending businesses couldn't take the majority, at least half of that business in 10 years' time.